In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear and reset the Microsoft Store cache in Windows 10. This process can be very helpful if you're experiencing issues with the Microsoft Store, such as apps not updating or downloading correctly, or if you simply want to give your store a fresh start. We'll go through the steps together, ensuring you fully understand each part of the process. First, let's begin by opening the Run dialog box. You'll want to press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut is a quick way to open the Run dialog, which allows you to easily execute commands or open programs with just a few keystrokes. If you're unfamiliar with keyboard shortcuts, don't worry, it's as simple as pressing these two keys at the same time. Once you have the Run dialog box open, you'll see a small window in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. In the input field of this window, type in wsreset.exe. This command is specifically designed to clear the cache of the Microsoft Store. By using this command, you're instructing Windows to reset the cache data, which can help resolve many common issues. After you've typed in the command, press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will activate the command and you'll see a blank command prompt window appear. It's important to note that this window doesn't typically display any progress indicators or confirmation messages, so you may wonder if anything is happening. Rest assured, Windows is silently working in the background to clear the cache for the Microsoft Store. This process usually only takes a few moments, so be patient. Once it completes, the command prompt window will close automatically, and the Microsoft Store should open on its own as a sign that the cache has been successfully reset. With the cache cleared, your Microsoft Store is now refreshed and should function more smoothly. Remember that clearing the cache can solve many basic issues with the store, such as errors during downloads or updates and sluggish performance. It's a handy tool to keep in your troubleshooting toolkit for when things aren't running as they should. That's all it takes to reset your Microsoft Store cache. We've gone through the entire process step by step, making sure that everything is clear and easy to follow. Now you can continue browsing, downloading and updating your apps with greater confidence. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you encounter any further issues, feel free to search for more solutions. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.